Namaskar and welcome back. In my last video, we were discussing about 7 major chakras. We have already discussed about 3 chakras, so let us continue now to learn about the other chakras. Coming to the 4th chakra called Anahata chakra, the heart center. Anahata means unstruck or unheard. So this chakra is where your love, your compassion and your kindness are empowered. This includes love for others and love for yourself. That is why this chakra is associated with health and healing. The location of this chakra is at the chest center. And it is green in color and it has 12 petals. Anahata chakra is associated with the element air, and the associated gland is thymus gland. The Bij mantra for this chakra is Yam YAM. If this chakra is active, you will be able to feel love for others and for yourself. Even in tough situation also, you can still see the compassion and kindness in others. But if it is underactive, you will have difficulty fully opening up to the people. The function of this chakra is to look after your heart, your lungs, and the circulatory system. This chakra also has the access to purify all the other 7 chakras by cleansing them if they have any negativity inside. If this chakra is underactive, you may bring several problems, several health issues like heart problems, lung infection, and even bronchitis. Coming to the 5th chakra called Vishuddhi chakra, the throat center. Shuddhi means purification, and V enhances this quality. So this chakra provides the energy to speak with clarity. It is located at the throat center, right between your collarbone. It is associated with thyroid gland situated here, and the color of the chakra is blue. It has 16 petals. And the element associated with this chakra is Akash. The Bij mantra is Hum, H-A-M. When Vishuddhi chakra is balanced, you will exactly know which words are appropriate for each situation. And speaking with balanced throat chakra will enlighten and will inspire others around you. If your Vishuddhi chakra is underactive, you will be very quiet and very shy by nature, and you may find yourself unable to express your emotions when you try to speak your truth. The function of this chakra is to look after your throat area, your thyroid gland, the neck, and jaw area. If this chakra is underactive, you will have fear of public speaking. Coming to the 6th chakra called Agna chakra, the eyebrow center. The word Agna means command. In deeper state of meditation, the disciple receives commands and guidance from the divine power through this chakra. This chakra is also known as various names, such as the third eye, the Gnana Chakshu, the eye of wisdom, Triveni, Guru chakra, and the eye of Shiva. This chakra opens up your mind and gives you information beyond this material world and beyond these 5 senses. Your intuition, your psychic energy, and extrasensory perception all come from the third eye center. It is located in between your eyebrows, and the color of this chakra is indigo. It has 2 petals and it is associated with light. And the Bija mantra for this chakra is Sham. This chakra is associated with pituitary gland. Agna chakra looks after your brain, your neurological system, your eyes, ears and nose. It also has the ability to unlock the power of mind, and therefore it can help you teach how to heal yourself and how to change your life through willpower. If this chakra is inactive, you may feel lack of clarity, rejection of spirituality. We also can't see the problems in order to solve them. An inactive Agna chakra also creates health issues related to brain, blurry vision, sinuses problem, insomnia, and nausea. Coming to the 7th chakra called Sahasrara chakra, the crown center. The Sahasrara means 1000 petals. This chakra is pure consciousness, energy. It is little difficult to explain. It's like the magnetism. When you take the piece of metal to a magnet, you can feel the energy and tension around that, which you cannot see. Same way, this is the conscious energy. Everywhere in everything it is there. It connects us to the entire universe. Our personal consciousness is located at the 7th chakra, the crown center. It is the seed of universal energy. The location of this chakra is at the top of the head. The color of this chakra is violet and it has 1000 petals. It is associated to divine consciousness. And the Bij mantra is Om. And it is associated with pineal gland. Achieving the balanced crown chakra is the goal for every spiritual person and goal of the yoga practices. But it's not easy to do. Once you achieve it, you are not really a human anymore. You have conquered the suffering and death. The journey of attempting to achieve this crown chakra, balanced crown chakra, bring happiness and good health and wisdom in your life. When you try to balance this chakra, it will balance all the other chakras also. And also when you fully open this chakra, you will be able to access the higher consciousness easily. It will help you to awaken you to the highest truth, which is that you are an infinite being of light. When you are awakened, the truth, you experience the inner peace, the true inner peace and the bliss. The moment you realize you are connected to everything and everything is connected to you. People whose crown chakra is imbalanced, they may develop problems related to neurological disorders, the nerve pains, Alzheimer's, insomnia, depression, headaches and migraines also. Now, as you know about all the 7 chakras, now you know the importance of each chakra. So it's very important to make sure that they are working properly. Otherwise, our body will suffer with many health issues, many mental and psychological issues. When we are emotionally imbalanced, stressed, and full of negativity, it will create blocks and imbalance in these chakras, which can result in different types of illnesses. So it's important to understand each chakra and to understand how to activate this chakra so that you can balance them and you can maintain proper equilibrium. So for that we need to learn how to work on the energy body. And we have to practice meditation to cleanse each chakra, to balance each chakra. So this is the end of this video. To learn more about chakras and how to activate them, keep watching our channel. Thank you.